Welcome to day 19 up on the housetop. You'll notice there are staccatos over the top and or the bottom of the notes. Those are staccato, meaning detach or make the note shorter. Not peckish, but just shorter. So there's a little space between the notes. Check out measure 5 before you start the whole thing. Practice that one 5 times first. And if your reed's not playing well, it could be old or warped. Make sure you check your reed. 2.5 is good for most musicians, but you want to check with your teacher on which reed you should be using, your private teacher, because they will help you a lot. I'm going to play the melody the first time, the harmony the second time. I'll give 2 counts, then 2 counts of silence before you come in. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Harmony, 1, 2, 3. If you're performance practicing, make sure you play through the whole thing without stopping. Even when you make a mistake, it's really easy to get stuck on something that, oh, I made an error. When you performance practice, go all the way through. When you practice for detail, then you stop and practice like a chunk measure at a time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button, as the boys say. Have a great day.